Hey guys, welcome to TèchNA and here is the Mivi DuoPods A25. Now let's unbox it quickly. And here we have the Mivi DuoPods A25. In the front we have the image of the TWS and at the back side we have the features listed. Here we have the warranty and the user manuals. And there we have our TWS and its case. At the back side there is a USB Type-C port for charging it. Then we have a small box. In that we have the Type-C cable and the ear tips. This one is a Type-A to Type-C. And here is the ear tips included in the box. Inside the case we have a pair of TWS. It actually looks like an AirPods Pro. The top of the TWS is actually shiny. At the back side it is a matte finish. The build quality is quite good since it is made of plastic. Soon you will see the full review of this TWS in my channel.